Come join me on this crazy adventure, how I find out how food really makes it onto your plate. I got my pumpkin seeds, and I'm here at Die Ölmühle to meet Helga, and they make pumpkin seed oil. In fact, it means the oil mill. Thank you so much for inviting us in here, and you're gonna show me how to make
I'm very glad that you are here in our Ölmühle.
I think I said it correctly. All right, so this is where we start?
Yes, here start.
What do we do?
The pumpkin seed come here in. Blum, 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 blum.
Boom.
We have to turn on these elevators.
This one starts?
Okay, fast. Okay.
Yep.
And now it works. You have to put it on
What the heck am I doing? You do.
strong.
Show me what I'm doing.
Okay. It goes up.
And I see there's like a little
Yes.
conveyor belt that's taking
Yes.
them up there, little elevator. What made you start your own oil company?
Because it was the dream from my husband. He always wants to have an oil mill.
You did it, good dream. You made it happen.
The seed come
To here,
into our mill.
this is your mill.
Yes.
So it's being ground now.
Now the mill works.
This is cool. Yeah! Go! So it's hot from the grinding, and then I thought they were wet, but Helga said it's the oil. It's starting to come out. Tastes like pumpkin seed.
So,
We're done now. We have the paste.
Let me-
So I press this.
yes, okay.
Okay, we
Thank
did
you.
it. Yeah.
Then a little bit of water in it, and it is better for the roast oven.
Okay. The process is going to take a little longer than we actually would have time to do, but we're going to hit every single beat. So this stays in here a bit, and then it moves over there, and the actual roasting would take an hour?
An
or
hour,
more?
about an hour.
Okay. Oh, wow. So this is an oven.
Yes.
You're scraping it off the bottom?
Yes, because it cannot burn on.
This is cool. After this is finished roasting, you would take it over to the press.
Yes.
And this is where the press actually makes the oil.
Yes.
You take the roasted, milled seeds, put it in this container, and then you put these heavy weights on it. You fill this about 5 centimeters, and you put this on top of it. Now this is a hydraulic press. Put that underneath there, 300 bar of pressure. It presses down and squeezes the oil out in here.
And this is the product. And this you can make.
This is still warm. This is from earlier today.
From today.
What do you do with this?
Food for cows, for fishes, also for cosmetic, and for
And for people?
yes, also
People
for
eat it?
people. Yes.
Oh, it's very hard.
Yeah.
This is amazing. Can I see the oil? Where's the oil?
Our oil. We have here.
Oh, wow. That smells great. I don't even know what the smell is. What is that? What does it smell like? What do you think it smells?
Pumpkin oil.
That's delicious.
Yes, of course.
I've never heard of this. This is amazing. And this is an Austrian traditional oil.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you so much for this.
I thank you
This
so
is
much
so
for your
wonderful.
visit.
Can I have a bottle?
Of course, natürlich.
All right, let's do it.
Come on.
Pumpkin seed oil. Like, wow. It's not often in life, especially in your 40s, that you come upon something so wonderful that you never heard of before. And not only do they make this amazing oil, but there's like a salt that they make. They make a liqueur that Helga had us drink that is phenomenal. I bought, I don't know how many bottles in here.